The link roads around Cardiff is dangerous. I'm going to try and use the law to force the Welsh Government and the council to make repairs. Section 41 of the Highways Act 1980 allows members of the public to write to these authorities and to get them to initiate repairs. The first step is I'm writing to them to ask them to admit liability for repair of the roads, depending on which part of the road they're liable for. If they don't reply, I can go straight to Crown Court and ask the court to order a repair. If they do reply, then the route is through the magistrate's court. But the bottom line is, I think somebody could easily be killed with the state of that road. If a motorcyclist hits a pothole, then I dread to think what could happen. I'm using legal processes to focus the minds of Cardiff Council and the Welsh Government. Something has to be done. Diolch yn fawr.